I am Halit and factory manager of Paşabihacı Egypt plant. Paşabihacı Egypt glass manufacturing company is established in 2017 by acquisition of a local glass company. Our company is subsidiary of Turkish glass manufacturer holding Şişecam. I would like to thank first my wonderful team in Egypt. We started to implement 5S management system by support and consultation of Symbios company. Actually, I would like to thank Symbios company and all our team for this successful implementation.